Hi guys, I'm back here with my food tricks. My mother bought too much fruit. If you don't know what to do, if your mother buys too much fruit, then poof, fruit bars. Okay, so now that the honeydews all cut up, I'm gonna pour in the apple juice. Okay, now dump in the cantaloupe. Honeydew. Now pour in blueberries. Pour in all of the blueberries in one container. Dump in a container of blueberries. Get the lid. If there's any extra honeydew in the lid, get right on top. Secure the lid tightly on and start mixing. Here comes the magic. Okay. Open it up. Hopefully they have a bigger reveal than last time, because last time someone messed up the ice pops. Some of them. Not all of them. See you guys in a little bit. After all these are poured in. No one wants to miss out the fun of looking at them.
Sir.
Gonna pop them in the freezer after they're all done. Watch me do this last one and then we're gonna be done. Okay, here's the big reveal.
I want my mommy. I want mine.
She's really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye for today.